Taga-Laguna ako. Agriculturist ng tatay. Simple lang ang nanay ko. Tumutulong siya sa tatay. Tatlo kami magkakapatid. Akong panganay.
Anong kinukuha mo?
Sociology. 3rd year. Pero mahilig din ako dyan sa literature. Paborito ko ngayon si Gabriel Garcia Marquez eh. Yung 100 Years of Solitude. The best, I think, in magic realism. Mahilig din ako sa music. And you know what? Lately, I've been getting more and more interested in economics. Iniisip ko nga mag-master in economics eh. Sabog ba?
But why not go straight to economics?
Okay lang. I want to understand the mechanisms of development and underdevelopment through economics. But with my background in the social sciences and humanities, mas maintindihan ko kung para talaga kanino ang graphs and statistics.
Pirmahan mo naman to.
Thank you, Marquez, for introducing me to Shane today. Teka muna, ba't walang date?
You got it. Ikaw na ang maglagay para pareho tayong nakasulat dyan.
Joel, when you're eating, you use this. Para hindi marumihan ang damit mo. Okay?
Shane! Shane! Madali ka! Mahuli tayo niyan eh.
What more do you want? Kain ng kain, Joel. Do you have a party today?
You're adorable. Be you're so beautiful.
Joel, masama yung kumakain, kumakanta. Kain ng kain muna. And drink your milk, ha?
Opo.
Dad, sandali lang, may nakalimutan ako sa kwarto. Do you have a party today? Do you have a party today? Do you have a party today? Inis na ako.
First semester. First year ka pa lang, Shane. Matagal pang maging doktora.
Pa-join naman, oh.
Sure.
What makes you look prettier these days?
A very, very special friend.
Alam mo, ang importante dyan, you give yourselves time to get to know each other better. Para bang period for compatibility test. Oh, what's that naughty smile for?
Wala. Just a naughty thought.
Share naman, oh.
Promise mo muna, hindi mo bababaan ang grades ko.
Tataasan ko pa. Naughty thought addict yata ako.
Siguro kaya hindi ka makapag-asawa dahil you don't set a deadline to your compatibility test.